Lucky they're only doing a repair today, but still, you have a boundary box. DCC Dublin Corporation. What the service say they don't install boundary boxes. But there you go, folks. So you're going to continue to connect these boundary boxes in, or what? Are you going to continue to connect these boundary boxes, fit these boundary boxes? Why are you working for Irish Water?
Good wages.
Good wages, is it? You shouldn't be working against the public. Boundary boxes, fitting them on behalf of Irish Water, what? Car rapid. But just as well today, they're not fitting them, they're only doing a repair. But there you go, look, boundary boxes in the back of the DCC truck. Typical. I haven't seen you in ages. I haven't seen you in ages. Are you still fitting boundary boxes? Remember I caught you the last time? Twice I caught you. Yeah, remember I caught you twice. Yeah, look at boundary box, look. There you go. I'll be stopping you. So I won't stop you from installing boundary boxes, is that right? Many times did I catch you installing boundary boxes? Well, you're lucky that's only a repair today, I can tell you. There's the man himself, doesn't give a rat's. He says he'll install boundary boxes. There's the main man himself. There you are now. Look forward to catching you again. Traitors, DCC. Couldn't care less. See ya, and I wouldn't want to be ya.